Welcome to my studio. I'm here today to show you some of my Christmas bits and bobs that I make. Christmas is my favourite time of year and I absolutely go berserk and decorate the whole house. I don't go to the shops and buy all that tacky stuff, I make everything. I make garlands and quilts and teddy bears and angels and Christmas puddings and Christmas cakes. I have mincemeat jars with lovely caps on them. I'm go berserk. The house is a treat at Christmas. And this is Robin. He's an advent calendar especially for boys. There aren't many advent calendars for boys out there. I know it's obviously going to be a small boy, but nevertheless they need them. This one here, this is Joy. You can see Joy's a bit more elegant. Just a very, very simple face. Nothing difficult about that though. I kept it really simple. I didn't scribble eyebrows and I didn't put big bushy eyebrows, didn't have them too close together. I was quite careful how I positioned them.